Bonjour les apprenants français. Hello, French learners. Now, today we want to talk about what is French for TEF Canada. We have really been talking about our FTC course from now to some time now, but now I really want to tell you, I really want to discuss with you what exactly that online course is all about. And firstly, I want to talk about the keywords in that French for TEF Canada. Firstly, French, which is the first keyword. The second one, TEF Canada test. The third one is French for TEF Canada Applicants online course. Now let me briefly introduce all of them. The very first one, French. Do you know that French is an official language in over 29 countries now, across continents, and taught in over 84 countries, and acclaimed as the third most, in fact, as of 2020, it was the second most studied language worldwide, with about 120 million current learners. Now, why French? The reason being is that it is a language of international opportunity for you to study abroad, to work, and even live abroad. In other words, it is also a language of literature, a language of scientific standard in the world of journalism and diplomacy. Now, furthermore, what is TEF Canada test itself? The test d'évaluation de français pour le Canada, TEF Canada, is a test of general French which assesses the level of proficiency in French of francophones and non-francophone speakers. In other words, the TEF Canada is recognized as the official proof of language proficiency by Citizenship Immigration Canada, CIC, as well as Ministère de l'Immigration et des Communautés Culturelles du Québec, which is MICC. For permanent residency application, Certificat de sélection du Québec applications, and the Canadian citizenship application. What's that telling you? TEF is used to gain admittance to French universities, French organizations, and it is also used for Canada immigration and for work abroad. Now, the levels of proficiency that the TEF has, as they said the TEF Canada accesses the candidate's proficiency in French using the 7-level scale based on the Common European Framework of Reference for Languages, which is the CEFR level, and the Canadian Language Benchmark, CLB. Now, the TEF Canada consists of 4 major modules: the listening, the speaking, the reading, and the writing. In French, we call that compréhension écrite, the reading, compréhension orale, the listening, expression écrite, the writing, and expression orale, which is the speaking. Now, all these exams actually last for about less than 3 hours, because the reading is 60 minutes, the listening is 40 minutes, the writing is 60 minutes, and the speaking is 15 minutes. And you have about varying series of questions to answer, about 50 questions for the reading, 60 questions for the listening, 2 topics for the writing, and 2 topics for the speaking. Now, for the reading, you have 300 points. For the listening, you have 360 points. For the writing, you have 450 points. And for the speaking, you have 450 points. Now, the TEF Canada result is an official result that will be delivered to each candidate as soon as you actually take that examination. And it is detailed and personalized according to your level of proficiency. For each module, the certificates will show you the kind of score that you obtained. And the level of proficiency that you have reached will actually be informed. You'll be informed of that level. Now, the results last within 6 to 8 weeks after the exam before you get it. But you don't need any academic degree to actually take that test. The candidates may take the test severally, allowing at least a minimum of 60 days between the test sessions. But other French tests apart from TEF is DELF, for instance, like Diplôme d'études en langue française. We also have DALF, which is Diplôme approfondi de langue française. We have TCF, which is Test de connaissance du français. And we have TEFAC, Test d'évaluation de français adapté au Québec. And we have TCFQ, which is Test de connaissance de français pour le Québec. Now, all these tests are actually similar to the TEF Canada, and in terms of their questions, the skills, and the requirements for the test. And that is why we in A.O.S Academy actually choose the TEF Canada as the basic test for our online course. Now, we are talking about our online course, the French for TEF Canada online course, FTC. Now, the FTC online course is a step-by-step framework that helps English speakers, anglophones, and little of francophone speakers to at any level they are, be it the beginner level, the elementary level, intermediate level, independent level, advanced level of the proficient level, to learn French well enough for them to be able to actually take and succeed in the TEF Canada test with at least B2 grade upward. Now the FTC is an acronym for French for TEF Canada. The acronym is actually used together with all the various levels of language competencies for all our courses. In other words, we have FTC Introductory online course, we have FTC Beginner online course, we have FTC Elementary online course, we have FTC Intermediate online course, we have FTC Independent online course, we have FTC Advanced online course, we also have FTC Expert online course, we have FTC one-on-one coaching session, and the wonderful one we just even added to the group now is FTC Lifetime Membership online course. So in other words, if you want to learn French up until God knows, you understand, for life, you can actually have access to us. Every week you get to learn French with no kind of stoppage. Now, please, I need to now ask you, why do you really want to learn French? Do you want to learn it to work? Do you want to learn it to study? Do you want to learn it for life abroad? Which type of tests out of the ones we have mentioned do you want to take? TEF, TEFAC, TCF, DEF? And which of the online courses and coaching sessions would you like to enroll for that we have? Now, please, any of them, please leave it in the comment section of this video. And if you want to contact us to ask for more information, contact us on our email addresses, admin@aosacademy.com or support@frenchtefcanada.com. We also have our website, www.aosacademy.com. You can go on there and see testimonials of people that have actually taken the test just like you and have actually succeeded in it. Now also you can go on www.frenchtefcanada.com, which is our major online school where we teach students the French and prepare them for the TEF Canada exam. And as you know, our address is number 51 University Road, beside Fab Filling Station, Tipper Garage, Tanke, Ilorin, Kwara State. And I really hope to see you next time in our online course. Merci beaucoup et à la prochaine.